Here is how to fix unresponsive touch screen on your phone. So first of all, this problem can be frustrating because you can't use your device. We'll show you how to fix it. So you can restart your phone without touching the screen. There is a button shortcut. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time and keep holding them down and your screen might look like this. Or if your phone is frozen, it will stay the same. It should go black. Keep holding the buttons until the phone restarts. Release the buttons when you see the phone turning back on and wait for the device to start up. When it restarts, you should be able to use it normally again and the screen should be responsive. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.